Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Phas and confirming your input source. Plug in the mic, set the input type, and keep gain conservative so you avoid clipping. A red LED means reduce gain. Once done, choose sample rate 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz depending on your project. Make sure storage shows available minutes and format is set to WAV or MP3. You're now ready to arm a recording session. Don't delay. Press record when levels sit comfortably. You press record and monitor levels actively. Keep an eye on meters. Quick peaks are fine, sustained red is not. Use headphones plugged into Phas to hear live without latency. Adjust gain or move the mic to control proximity effect. If wind or rumble appears, enable the low cut filter. If sudden spikes occur, engage the limiter. Once you're satisfied with the raw take, use short test clips to confirm tone and balance before recording the full segment to avoid surprises later. You stop the recording and save with a clear file name so you can find it later. Transfer files over USB or remove the SD card and copy to your workstation, then inspect waveforms for clipping or dropouts. If you see noise or missing audio, check cable seating, mic power, and input gain first. Reboot Phas and retry. Make sure firmware is up to date if odd bugs persist. Once files look clean, you're done and ready to edit or deliver the final audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.